where snipers are hiding. Hook map absorption, the trigger moment when the sniper sees the target move. I don't really know what the fuck. Talking military terms there. Why doesn't a 1 hour zone count? And this is where 90% of traders go wrong. A random doji that caused a bounce. Oh, I asked it like when would a 1 hour demand zone be valid and when would it not? Um, Honestly, I don't really want to go over this because I just feel like we should avoid them right now. Definitely right now, at least. This is the one where I asked it because this is the trade Eloy took, where the 15-minute demand zone. You can see it here. I marked it with the line. It did work, and then the limit orders appeared also. I asked it why did it work this time, and it says yes, the 15-minute demand zone worked, but it is an outlier, not a system level edge. It played out because higher time frame context plus intraday timing lined up. But if you chase these kind of zones consistently, you'll get chopped more than paid.
Yeah.
What made it work? Positioning context was prime, aggressive reclaim off the lows, clean V-shape absorption behavior. Uh, it wasn't the 15-minute zone that made this valid. It was the absorption plus reclaim behavior at a contextually important low. The zone could have been drawn on a 15, 30, 45, or even a 5 minute. The structure itself was reactive because real buyers stepped in. Why you still shouldn't start tracking 15-minute zones? Too many appear every session. You'll get 3 to 5 15-minute zones every day. Most of them don't cause real reversals, just reaction bounces or scalps. This leads to false confidence, over trading, and entire entries that look A plus but aren't. And that's what was happening to me. The entry looks A plus, but it's just not a key zone I should be trading at. No institutional weight. Big money doesn't position off a 15-minute imbalance. They may trigger there, but not build there. That means no defense, which means no reliable trap behavior. Um, that's mainly the gist of my week's conversation with it.
Yeah, that's so much, dude.
Yeah, it is.
You're fucking crazy.
So it was very, very helpful. And I think you guys like see why now I mentioned this from the beginning, right?
Yeah.
Like it makes sense. I'm not going crazy here.
No, it does make sense. Cause yeah, dude, I was annoyed by how many lines were on my charts.
Yeah, that shit was frustrating. And I even asked it like, how do I approach trading the way Kobe would approach basketball? And that's kind of like where this started happening. This conversation, it like led to this conversation where it was like you're overcomplicating it. Like just stop marking all those zones and just focus on like mastering the free throw, basically.
Yeah. Yeah.
So that's where I'm taking it next.
Dude, pin that you don't trade to feel good, you trade to execute or something like that.
You don't trade to feel good, you trade to execute your edge.
Execute your edge, yes.
Oh yeah. Oh fuck! I opened it. Damn, where'd it go though?
Dude, that's our new slogan for when we fucking sell this shit.
Can you highlight stuff on ChatGPT?
What did you say you were?
Can you highlight things in your conversation?
Can you search? Oh, you could. What was it?
Can you highlight something in your conversation?
No. What
You
was
Oh,
the?
don't
you
you
don't
don't
chart.
trade to feel good.
Yeah, you chart
You
to
trade to
execute.
execute your edge.
I keep saying chart, trade.
Oh, there it is.
Damn, dude.
Eric's gonna start talking to us in these type of quotes.
Dude, I will be fucking millionaires by then. That shit hypes me up.
I just speak in quotes.
Just talking to like when you're a
People
teacher,
ChatGPT.
when you're a teacher and you're talking to rookies, you're gonna be obnoxious, just hitting them with these quotes.
I'm gonna just give them a copy of my whole 2 years of conversations with ChatGPT.
They're gonna find some
Just like read
weird
this.
ass convo that you had in the wrong chat. Why'd you ask it this, Mr. Reynoso?
Pin. Where's the fuck pin message? Oh yeah, pin it.
Oh yeah.
It doesn't say it though. It just says it's pinned.
We can't put like a banner or something.
That would be sick. What if I change this? I don't even remember how to change it. I'll fuck around with it.
How do you
But
even
do you
make
guys
this?
Dude, I don't even remember, to be honest.
What the fuck? I just realized I
Um,
never knew how to do that.
Google, ChatGPT.
And
You guys want to go over anything else? I mean, that is the
hey man, you're telling me
fundamentals
to
there of
you're
everything I
telling me
learned
to
this
chart
week.
less. I'm cool with that.
For real.
There's where's this?
I
I
was
mean,
off.
we could what?
No, I was just gonna say I was off that whole week because of my back, and the moment I read Eric said chart less time frames, I was like, say less. Bro. I was just not trying to work.
But like even just looking at this next week, let me just clear this.
Okay, so right here, the edge of consolidation will be the previous support. I mean, yeah, previous support and previous resistance right there. So the mid range right there, you wouldn't consider a key.
No. Well, let's look at it on the. So I'll just mark this here for now.
So that's the
I don't
key.
really like this 4 hour. I was about to say I don't really like this 4 hour because of this base and this rally, but this rally also seems kind of large, so I
Yeah.
do mark it.
Okay, so that's the key.
Yeah, I'm gonna mark it with this dark green.
That's the key, and then go to the mid range.
Mid range?
Yeah, like lower, no, like lower, or right, like no, where it's supporting, like the bottom of the recent day candle, the most recent days. Yeah, right there, like around there. Yeah, you wouldn't consider that area a key?
Unless I see something on the 2 hour or 90 minute. So then here, what am I on the 2 hour? Boom, here's a 2 hour supply zone.
Because that's
So
what
this is
Felony
the
calls the line in the sand.
what, the middle there?
The middle, yeah.
So this is our two edges here, the 2 hour and the 4 hour. And then we go 90 minute. Nothing there on the 90 minute. Oh, this 90 minute that I had marked last time.
Which was actually key.
I guess you would consider this the land in the what was it? What was it?
Line in the sand.
Line in the sand. Because it's at that low. And then if you put a box, it aligns with it.
Obviously, it worked, but how many points is that next green candle at that basing candle you just charted?
For the 90?
What?
That the basing candle. How many points difference is it from that basing to the top of that green candle.
I
'Cause
think
this
it
is-
was 8.
yeah.
It was 8, 6282 to
I go
6288.
based. Sometimes I go based off how big the box is relative to the 5-minute time frame. If the base candle doesn't seem like that many points, I'll eyeball it.
To me, I just like how aggressive this whole push is. Like, obviously, there was a large move done off of this here.
Yeah.
Maybe it wasn't the first candle, but like right after, instantly, it's still getting bought up.
I mean, it worked perfectly.
And then, so we did 2-hour. So nothing else. See, like, I hate that I even want to see this here. You guys
I
see
know.
this?
I'm gonna say
And then let's go 45, see what's there.
Wait, what was that
Nothing
last one? And why
surprise.
did you say you hate seeing it?
because
Just 'cause it's like,
it's in the middle, but it's a 90-minute.
Oh,
and it also aligns with this resistance over here. So see, in that case, I would do. I'm back on the 90-minute right now. See how
But those are but those are random. Those are like not all the time.
yeah, they don't happen all the time. But like if I were feeling lost, I would do this where I just mark it with like a dotted line just to know that like okay, maybe there is something there, but at this current moment and state that I'm in, I most likely wouldn't trade it just because I still want to see like what are the chances of it working.
Yeah.
But definitely this 90-minute is important. Solid that bitch. This 4-hour is important, and this 2-hour up here is important. And even on the 90-minute, this 2-hour is also still there. So I would just do a box here. And I remember I even asked it, is this 2-hour important even though we're next to all-time highs? And it said yes, it's still a important zone to mark.
Oh, you do your editing way different than I do.
Why?
Show price on the right. Why don't you just set that? Why don't you just save those settings?
Because I don't like it showing the price on the right on my NQ and my SPY. It's weird, I know.
What? You're a goddamn weirdo.
why don't you care
But
about
see
the
how
price?
like just off of those key levels we marked right now, there's not too much confusion going on.
Yeah.
And then you just all we're missing is yesterday's high, yesterday's low. And then in the morning, pre-market high, pre-market. But those aren't going to be levels I necessarily trade off of. It's just I want to be aware of it because they can be targets. Just like it worked at pre-market high, worked as a target for you on Friday.
Mm. That's very, very interesting.
And for now, I'm not going to be focused on like reclaim level retest. Although they could be working, but I just don't want to confuse myself at the moment.
Sometimes they
Like
happen together.
what?
Sometimes they happen with the absorption.
Yeah, like if it's at my key level and yesterday, like say down here at 90-minute demand, the market comes here again and it's here with yesterday's low, then okay, that I'll validate that as a good area to because it's at my key absorption zone. But like if it's over here, like this yesterday's high, and it pushes up above it, I'm not gonna try to take it long targeting supply up here. Just for now, even though I know that it is possible it could work, I just want to have data only solely focused on my primary setup. Because like I said earlier, I'm not trying to start doing a three flip when I haven't mastered the ollie.
Very true.
But just looking at it now, like already there's not as much confusion with my zones.
Yeah, it looks way cleaner for sure.
And I think that will also help you, Eloy, with the way because your charts be looking crazy, dog.
Crystal clear, bro. What are you not seeing? No, that does make that helps a lot. And then I mean, I've been waiting to find out how to make that make sense to me without doing it the way I've been doing it, but this makes more sense. Like I couldn't not chart the 15 minutes and like the 30s, and I would have them so all over the place, dude. Like this makes way more sense.
Yeah. And just remember, like, we're not gonna get a trade every day. It's gonna be like 2, 3 trades max, unless it's like a super volatile. Like when Trump first became president, I'm sure those weeks there was tons of setups throughout the week, but because volatility was so crazy. Whereas like when Biden was president, towards the end of his shit, where it was like just super slow, those were probably those times where you were just getting like one trade a week or two trades a week.
Yeah.
So like that's kind of where your mind's gonna have to adjust if you do take this route.
Oh, I'm taking that route. You just
But
cut my chart in half.
For
and I think like go work with it this week, and like you're gonna see a difference in the way you your emotions during the market. Because even on Friday, like I was so much less emotional just knowing like, okay, I'm just focused on this 90-minute zone here. There is so much less emotion and less need to want to take a trade.
Hey, play that 90 minute. I missed it because I didn't have it. I want to see order flow.
Uh,
Was it clear?
yeah, fair enough for me to just be writing it, but I didn't take it because I was still.
I
That's
just want to see a
crazy.
real
Even
quick.
on demo, I was scared.
You're
I'm
scared on
just so
demo?
tired of losing. What?
You're scared on demo?
Yeah, I'm not. I just don't want to lose, and I
Demo's
mean, I
real.
know losing is part of it, but dumb losses hurt my confidence.
I know everyone is a fucking
It was
hit.
the 11th.
Yeah, 11. Did you have this 90 minute, Eloy, on Friday?
He didn't like it.
Oh, that's right.
It wasn't. It
No, we
wasn't.
probably didn't see order flow.
It wasn't A plus.
Eloy only gets the best A plus setups.
That was a lackluster 90 minute right there.
Eloy's key setup was a 15-minute demand from last week that became resistance.
That was my low the boat price.
Oh, man.
Hold up, I'm gonna move my chart over here too. Oh, it's already here. Why is it freezing? Oh, it's not. Can't tell if it's playing or not. What the fuck? Oh, there it goes. Oh, it's loading still. That's why. All right, let me just mark it real quick. 62, 82, 25. Two 62, 75. And then pre-market low. 62, 76. Ah, what happened?
You do this every morning?
Yeah. Just the pre-market. I mean, just the demand supply, and then my pre-market lows and yesterday's highs and lows. All right.
And why is your shit lagging so much?
On the Discord, it's not lagging on my end. I just paused it right now, though.
Oh, it might be my internet then.
You gotta make some profits, get better internet.
I know. This is a 3G household right here.
All right, so we're 2 minutes into the open here.
Did your box
I'm gonna
disappear?
speed it up. No, it's still there. Right here.
Hey, Eloy, it's not lagging for you?
The book map is, but I just thought he said it was still loading or something.
Wait, right now you don't see it?
I can see it. It's
I
moving.
can-
It's moving normal to me
Oh,
now.
alright.
Yeah, I can see book map. It does stop. But is that what you're talking about? Book map lagging?
Like right now, is it lagging?
Right now, it's stopped.
Wait, what
Right
the
now.
fuck? It's not. It's playing right now.
But it's playing. But
What
it's like
price is it
lagging.
at?
It's at 62.86, but then it stops. But then it goes again.
Yeah, that's what lagging is.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like that's what's going on.
I just paused it right now. Hold on, let me see. It's your guys' it's Discord, I think.
Yeah, fuck it. Well, we just see the
I
confirmation.
played it again. So it's coming into 90-minute demand now. 62.40. We're coming into this last red candle here. Zoom in a bit. Boom, limit orders start appearing at demand. Waiting for that aggressive push. I'm too zoomed in now. Fuck. Here's that aggressive push. Look at the red value. Now I'm looking at CVD to give me a signal. Right here, it's gonna start stalling. Stalling. There's that bounce. Now wait for that pullback. Look at the volume shift right here. Boom.
Oh yeah.
Eh. Oh,
Damn.
and I was at 8. What the fuck? I was going way too fast. I felt like I was talking fast too. So there's that first limit order that got eaten up. We got this second limit order here. I'm zoomed in on the 2-minute on Bookmap.
Oh yeah, that limit order is holding.
Right now we're on this doji candle on my chart on the 2-minute. So I was waiting. Once I seen that, I was waiting for the 2-minute to make a higher high too. And that happened at 46. There's that aggressive sell.
Right when that couldn't sell off. Clean signal.
CVD starts to stall here too. This is when CVD starts to stall. So usually my mind would want to enter here, but we haven't hit 46 yet, and the green candle here hasn't made that higher high. So that's what kind of allows me to like still be patient. Like, okay, it's not ready just yet. I want to see that break of structure forming a higher high now. And that also allows me to be patient for CVD to give me more confirmation because here the buying shift started to step in and CVD started to point up, which would naturally make me want to be like, okay, this is the move. But like by being patient for that 2 minute to make that higher high, it allows me to still be a little more patient. And now you start to see, okay, CVD is like not selling lower just yet. Seems like it's stalling. And I'm sure this is when I wrote in my journal CVD stalling.
Yeah, that's clean for sure.
Limit orders are still beneath us here.
The fact that the aggressiveness is struggling is
Yeah.
clear absorption.
See, Eli, this is what I see you do a lot. You'll see like the aggressive selling not sell off, and you'll just enter. Whereas we haven't got that confirmation of the volume shift yet.
Mhm. And so the
And now here at
confirmation
this
is what makes these
go
people.
ahead.
This is what the snipers want. Like it's sniping because you're getting in when it's going to take off. Or I would have probably been in at like that first drop, thinking, "Oh, it sold off and it's not going to keep going." But they're waiting. Like the snipers basically know how to get in when the absorption is done and it's going to move, right?
Correct. It's like an actual sniper shooter sees their target, and we see the target. We see it here. It's our what we want to see, but he's still waiting for the wind to come to like align with his shot. And our win could be the volume shift.
Mm.
And you'll see it when it happens. You can either get in here, this is that aggressive approach, or you wait for this next pullback that occurs right now.
Damn.
It's like barely moving.
I'm on X1, but I know you said that's not the actual time. See right here, you could start taking it.
So this pullback right here, 62.81.
Yeah. Look at how Valium is now starting to like confirm it. It's the same size and it's just gonna start to get bigger now.
Yeah,
There it is.
CAD starts rising. Yeah.
Oh yeah. I wasn't even looking at CVD right now. But let's see that on that second right here, CVD. You could get in now. It's making higher highs. So here we have uh the green 2 minute candle made a higher high. We have limit orders. We have CVD was stalling. It's now starting to point up. We got this first pop of Valium, and we got this second shift of Valium while CVD is pointing upward. Like that's everything aligning there.
And in your key level.
And in your key level, which is most important. And this thing just takes off from there. To 62.96. And if you got it in at 83, what is that? 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90. That's 13 points, even if you got in above demand and not inside demand.
Damn.
And then if you had that idea in mind of, oh, it could do a reclaim retest of yesterday's low, you can still target even higher.
But it's just crazy how clear it is when it's inside your demand.
Yeah. And I
It tripped
realized
out.
when you got in on yesterday's low, it almost looked like a breakout that you took.
Hell nah, dude. Don't diminish my wins like that. Oh hell no, you're going to my trade.
There, boom, there's for that first target. And now you could go break even, or you could go maybe put your stop underneath this 89 and then just ride it out.
I mean, that's clear continuation. Look at all that. Low
Yeah.
value node, limit orders, rally based rally. So limit orders start dropping it.
This is like a stress-free trade. If you got in at 83, you were almost never in red. Probably never were in red.
Your stop probably would have been in profit.
Yeah. Hey, your target did end up hitting too.
I know I got into the wrong time though. I got in too early.
That would have been a horrible trade to sit through though, this drawdown here to hit your target.
Yeah.
But I think that was a great setup down there at the 90 minute for sure.
Yeah. That was the A plus. What
Like
did you call them? Like a B? C plus?
yeah, yeah. B. Because you were still moving with the institutional participants. It's just the
Like I
later
didn't have
end of
to.
the yeah.
That's true.
But yeah, that's what I got. That's what I learned this week.
Thank you for sharing.
We got to be more patient.
Dude, we really
Not
do.
as many throughout the week. And one thing that like helped me trust what ChatGPT was saying more was how much I've heard Ian say like you don't have to trade Mondays and Fridays, um, and just like he's even said like just trade 1 to 2 times a week.
Yeah.
And like I said in the chat last week, just seeing how Carmine trades had like a big influence in how I was trying to approach it, but he has like another level of instinct to the market that I think we're just not ready for yet. At least I'm not for sure.
Is that what you're trying to do though? Be able to read Bookmap just off a random level and take it?
Yeah, like eventually I want to get to that. Like I would like to have how he trades.
Multiple green days.
Yeah, exactly. But that's gonna take some time.
Yeah, for sure.
Um, And I think the more we focus on just these current setups that I'm talking about, the absorption, seeing that is gonna just start to click more and more in the coming months. And we won't have to be taking chances the way we are now.
Yeah, true.
It sucks because we're definitely gonna see things that we're gonna be like, oh, this is a good setup. And just to like lock in on my discipline, I'm not gonna take it, and I'm gonna be like, "Fuck, I knew it was gonna work." But I think it's just gonna add more confidence when I do start taking them.
Yeah.
Because right now, if I take it, I'm definitely gonna be like, I don't know, maybe. But if I take these absorptions, that confidence is gonna be way stronger than if I take these yesterday low reclaims or whatever it may be.
Very true.
But that's basically it for me.
But you don't like to capitalize on the end of it, on the end of a rally, like for at least a little bit of points?
I mean, yeah, I would love to, but I just don't wanna put myself in that risk at the moment. Like, I want to be able to be disciplined enough to be like, "I know what my setup is, and no matter what, this is the trade I'm waiting for." I wanna just be a sniper at this until before I start to move on.
Yeah, because my mindset was like, okay, I didn't have a key, I didn't have a level there, but there was something there, and the move just happened. So now if it breaks above yesterday's low aggressively, comes back, retest it, I'll take it.
And I agree with it. Like, it obviously was something there. Imagine if you focus yourself to only take these levels down here. Now you don't have to worry about taking it up there and then the way that like you could actually get the whole move.
Yeah, yeah, no, for sure. I'm
And
gonna definitely focus on that for sure.
you've also said like when are we gonna get those 20-point moves? And it's like these are those 20-point moves when you get in with the institution.
You're very right. I did say that. I'm looking for that $100 fucking trade one
And
day.
I, locking yourself in on these setups is where they're gonna be at.
Yeah, fuck yeah, for sure. Hey, pin that shit. Dude, man,
Whole
that was a good
conversation.
one.
This is a good one.
I think this switch in approach is definitely gonna change our trading for sure. We're gonna see a difference.
Oh yeah,
I'm excited for the week
me too.
That's
until Trump
just be
until
ready
Trump
to
says
be
something.
patient because that's what it's gonna take.
I feel like all our
Even this week, I
skills.
realized like what?
I was just gonna say all our skills and patience, and then Trump says something and throws it all out the window.
That is possible too. But
It's very
even this
true.
week, like it took me some. I mean, like in the beginning of the week, I took a trade, it was a loss. Then on Wednesday, I took another trade, it was a loss. And then it was just frustrating me, and I was like, okay, like you got to lock in on one specific setup and only take that setup.
Yeah.
And even ChatGPT had said it, like when Kobe was mastering the fadeaway, like I'm sure for a whole week, maybe a whole month, he like would go into the gym every day, only practicing the fadeaway. Like he wasn't you're not practicing a dunk the same day you're practicing a fadeaway. Or maybe you are, but I don't think like if you're really trying to lock in on that move, like you're spending hours and hours and hours just trying to focus on that move. Even for you, Gabriel, like when you were learning how to tray flip, it wasn't the same on that same day you probably weren't learning how to kick flip.
That's very true. I did not do that.
Like I remember you would just like spend hours and hours just practicing that one trick over and over again.
Yeah.
I remember you even got mad at me because I was trying to do a kick. I was learning how to kick flip, and you were like, "Stop learning anything else. Like just learn kick flip."
I don't even remember that, but
I
sounds
do
about right.
remember that because it hurt my feelings.
This is therapy. This is a therapy session.
Oh fuck, man.
So now it's my turn to tell you, stop learning that other trick and master this
You got it, boss. You got it.
bit.
Damn.
That's it. I don't know if you guys got any other questions. Nice chat GPT.
Tight.
Uh,
That's good.
the productive one, guys.
Yeah, I definitely agree. I was hyped to tell you guys this because I was like, I can't type this all in the Discord.
Yeah, this one was good. I already deleted all my charting. I'm gonna start fresh right now.
So,
All right,
well,
guys.
that's
Peace out.
it. That's it for me.
Tight.
Peace out, y'all.
Peace.
All
Good
right.
one. Peace.
Thanks.